50, isn't it?
50,
Perfect.
yeah, right. Okay, we're set for going. So I'm taxiing to runway 09.
Yep.
All I've got to say at the moment.
Yep, mate.
Wing your traffic, Foxbat 7929, taxiing for runway 09. Wing it.
Winged Aerodrome.
A little bit of left crosswind there, mate. Not much.
Bits come up. Are we going to backtrack 09?
Oh, why not, mate? Just for practice, eh?
Yeah.
Probably put it back to idle, mate. Don't use your brakes. Use your brakes if you need to, but
Yeah.
not with power, you know.
We'll go this way. For a look. Oh, if I go the wrong way first.
Doesn't matter.
Pretty good now. Radio call. We are entering runway 09.
Entering and backtracking.
Runway 09 for departure.
4 circuits.
4th circuit.
Wing your traffic, Foxbat 7929, entering and backtracking runway 09 for circuits.
Good. That was a good call. Just got to add a winged at the end. That's good. That's fine.
Okay. We'll get it eventually.
Good, mate. What's wrong with that? My pen behind. Oh, well. You follow the yellow line out there normally, mate.
Yeah.
That's your little line out.
Yep.
Cuts the corner a bit.
Yeah. Going on the keys, aren't we?
Yeah, don't go past the keys, that white line there. They've got lights embedded in that thing there, mate.
We don't do another radio call now, do we? Line up.
Unless you need to, mate. Unless something happens, you need to talk to someone, just fly.
Okay.
I'll be giving it full rudder myself, because otherwise you're going to overshoot the centre.
Right.
Cool.
I'll square it up. Alright.
Oh, good, mate. Camera's on too. Beautiful. A little bit slow with the power next time, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah. That nose should be off the ground. That's a shot. Feet. Did a fair bit of right rudder, don't you, mate? And left stick. And left stick. That's a shot. Good.
Wasn't one of my best takeoffs.
That's all right, mate. If you relax more, it'll go better.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of pressure having the controls caused that.
Yeah. Been a month.
But let's look around. Let's not look ahead anymore. There's nothing to see there. As much as out there and out there, eh?
Yep.
Equal. Equal everywhere. Now don't trim yet. Get rid of your flaps first.
Oh yeah.
Then trim. Yeah, because that'll change it, eh?
Sure will. Turned out about right anyway. Okay, 500 feet. Gentle turn.
And straight away, look down your wing. Don't look in front anymore. Once you get that turn going, look around. Back to here, check speed. Bit slow, eh?
Yes.
And look at the runway before you roll out of the turn, because you need to be square. No, you're not square to the runway yet, are you?
No.
So keep the turn going. Don't ever stop your turn until you've connected to the runway first, mate. Right.
With your traffic, Foxbat 58, taxiing for runway 09 for 1 circuit, Wynyard.
Now, before we go any further,
correction, 2 seconds.
That's too high in the nose, isn't it? Way lower. Right, and good.
Okay. Right turn.
Push down for downwind, eh?
We don't mean to do a call.
Yeah, you're transmitting there, mate, already. So you're transmitting, yeah? Yeah, off you go.
forgot it.
A little bit less power, mate. You got a bit too much power on there.
I forgot a couple of bits.
That's okay. No worries. Going to aim for the keys. Maybe the first marker's past the keys. Aircraft, yellow plane, taxiing there. See him on the ground? You've got a long way to go. Yep. Let's look for traffic around up in the sky. Good look around the place for traffic.
Okay.
Engine's good, fuel's good, brakes are pressure, brakes are off. Seatbelt good, mate?
Yep.
Righto. We're a beam naming point now. You need to put your heater on, go into a glide. Attitude should be in the normal attitude, which is level. That's too low. That's way too low. Right, there's your attitude. Keep it up there. That's just too low. Good.
Alright, yep. I'm
Good,
just
good.
putting-
Good, right. Look at the run, mate. On to turn base, let's go. Maintain it nose level. Nose up, maintain it. Have a look at the run, mate.
I can't see it. Oh, I can now.
Yeah? Just see what you reckon.
Yep.
That's all right, mate. Pretty good.
Probably. Yeah.
Not too bad. Let's look out to the right for traffic. Let's not look in front. There's nothing there. That's where we're going to kill, mate. Let's look out there, get run over. All clear?
Yep.
Good. Check this. Too slow. Put your nose down straight away. Good. Right. Attitude's got to be just below level, mate. Look at the run, mate. Good. I see you getting blown away a bit by the wind.
Yes.
And slowly turn left then, otherwise you might fall short. Just slightly up. That'll do. Wings level now. Wings level now. Just a slight bit. Right. Good.
Attitude right.
Well, there's your answer. Yes. There's your answer. Perfect. See? Yep. Might be a bit of gradient at the end here. Might need a little bit of power. Just do that now, mate. Add a bit of power now. Good. Heater off now. Leave your power on.
Oh, sorry.
Heater off. Leave your power on. Okay. Nose down a whisker and power off. Done. Perfect. Relax. Fly the plane. My plane.
Yep, your plane.
Now, how high were we there, do you think?
Oh, too high.
Yeah, yeah. You went to 2 feet, went 4, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
and kept it going, yeah?
Yeah.
Got to stay down 2 feet, mate. And see how you're really tense looking over here?
Yes.
You must look out to the left of the bar
Oh.
and be more relaxed.
Yep.
You got plane?
My plane.
Full power, let's go. Feet, 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 feet. So you tensed up at the end, don't tense?
Yeah.
Now, I think you
Winning
had...
traffic. Foxbat 5085's entering for a entering runway 09 for an intersection departure for low-level circuits. Winyard.
Look around, mate. Don't look in front of you all. Let's I want you to be a lot more mobile. Yeah?
Yep.
A lot more mobile with your eyes. Yeah?
So, what was you saying before?
So you're looking over the nose.
Yeah.
You look over the nose, you've got no depth perception, and you keep yourself too high off the ground. That's all. All right. First turn can happen.
Yeah.
That's a shot. Just as you're flicking through, looking around, you keep tabs on that, and every